In a ruling on travel rights and due process, the Lahore High Court has held that immigration authorities must record and communicate written reasons whenever a passenger is offloaded from an international flight. Justice Rahil Kamran announced the judgment while deciding to identical petitions filed by Muhammad Soban and Ali Raza against the federal government. The two petitioners were stopped from boarding a flight to Kuala Lumpur at Allama Iqbal International Airport, Lahore, on 24 December 2025. They were traveling on valid visit visas and stated that they had confirmed hotel bookings, return tickets, sufficient documentation, and were not on the exit control list or any blacklist. Through their counsel, they argued that the offloading was arbitrary and violated their fundamental rights under the Constitution. Representing the federal government, the Additional Attorney General maintained that the petitioners were not permanently barred from travel. However, immigration officials questioned the purpose of their visit, cited insufficient financial proof, and described their hotel bookings as doubtful. The government said the action was taken under the Immigration Ordinance, 1979, and Standing Order No. 31 of 2005, which empower authorities to prevent unlawful immigration. In his ruling, Justice Kamran acknowledged that the state does have statutory authority to regulate immigration. However, he made it clear that such authority is not unlimited. The court emphasized that the right to travel abroad is a protected civil right under Article 15 of the Constitution. It further held that even preventive measures must comply with Article 10-A, which guarantees due process. The judge observed that while immigration officers may examine documents, financial capacity, and travel purpose, no written reasons were provided to the petitioners at the time they were offloaded. He ruled that failing to record and communicate reasons undermines transparency, prevents meaningful legal challenge, and opens the door to arbitrariness. While upholding the power of immigration authorities to scrutinize travelers, the court issued a prospective direction. Immigration officers must now record brief but specific written reasons in every offloading case and provide a copy to the passenger at the earliest opportunity. The court also clarified that the petitioners may travel in the future on valid visit visas, subject to lawful scrutiny. Meanwhile, the Additional Attorney General assured the court that the Ministry of Interior would consider establishing a structured administrative review mechanism for offloading decisions to reduce unnecessary constitutional litigation.